Oh, hello. I was right there in that spot at the end of the other video. Now we're starting on the second one. This one might be going a little bit quicker. This is more world class and world class, apparently. Okay. I'm running with it. Made in America, 12 shots, 40 bucks. Whole bunch of cool shots in that one. Airstrike, $43.99, 25 shots. Big Dog, $79.99. That is obviously 9 shots. Got Civil War, 9 shots, 9 huge shots. That's on the channel. If you haven't seen that one, go ahead and check it out. It's in my shorts. Not in my shorts, but in my YouTube shorts. Man, this is already a great video. Skull Engine, 8 shots, $69.99. Civil War was 80 bucks as well. Playing with Fire, you got 30 shots, $54.99. Harry Beaver, 20 shots, 50 bucks. Viper, Cutting Edge, 40 bucks, 25 shots. Got Orc Skull from World Class, 25 shots, 30 bucks, okay. Jungle Cat, $33.99, 12 shots. Neon Rings, walk away from those, walk away, walk away, walk away. Sea to Shining Sea, $89.99. 113 shots? Yes, 113 shots. Why do I remember that? Country Boy. This is 100 bucks for a shot count that I can't remember. I remember one, but I don't remember the other. Oh, 186. It's just down on the bottom. I wonder how many times you guys call me on that stuff when you're watching the videos. It's right in front of your face. 50 bucks. Kill Bill. 36 shots. Bent Rail, 47 shots, $53.99. Not in My Yard, 50 bucks for 16 shots. American Trucker, 70 bucks for a shot count that's not on the one side. I don't see it. Oop, don't see it. Too bad. Shoot it. Find out for yourself. Love Pyro. 25 shots. $31.99. Really trying not to move that fast, but you can yell at me later in the comments. Cutting Edge. 24 shots. Sharks. $39.99. Whole bunch of different cakes here. That's pretty cool. Caged Animal, $21.99. Cutting Edge. Got some amped up over here. These are them triangles from Winda. 100 bucks for all 4 of them in the pack. Alien Uprising is right behind me. 30 shots, 50 bucks. I can't wait to see the shells. I'm so excited. 54 shots for Michelangelo, and it is $35.99. Got Truck Shark, it's $39.99, 30 shots. Got Cruelty Devil, 33 shots, $31.99. Demon Eyes, that looks kind of cool. $34.99, 52 shots. Doesn't get very high though. It's only saying 98 feet. United States, 196 shots, $179.99. Jake's Wants You, 42 shots, 70 bucks. Guerrilla Warfare, 50 bucks for how many shots is Guerrilla Warfare? Like 30. It is 30. 30 shots. Chrome-tastic, 30 shots, 20 bucks. Gravedigger, 30 shots, 40 bucks. Cold Killer. Oh, it goes green and then it goes America. Oh, that's pretty sweet. $129.99, 128 shots. That's pretty sweet. Poser, $58.99, 25 shots. Captain Jake, 50 bucks, 21 shots. Sexy Rider, $49.99, and that is 9 shots. Ladies Night, 50 bucks for a shot count that is in front of my face, but I don't know. 9 shots. Tongue tied, 50 bucks. Sorry, getting caught up in the artwork, I always do. 50 bucks, 9 shots. We got Nuclear Winter, 36 shots, $56.99. Neon Jellyfish. I need to walk away from this real quick, but it is obviously 9 shots and 90 bucks. Okay, we're gonna walk away from these. We're gonna keep walking. No way. Alright, we're gonna get away. Got Goonies, 12 shots, $43.99. Loyal to None, 33 shots, $44.99. Widowmaker, $44.99, 16 shots. Scorpion, 25 shots, $43.99. High Def, 40 bucks. I can never find the shot count on that one. Got True Art, 60 bucks, 27 shots. Got Green, $54.99 and 30 shots. Yikes, it's $28.99, 15 shots. America's Pastime, 60 bucks. Shot count that's on the side, 63 shots. Evil Clown, $31.99, 9 shots. 46 shots for Tank Girl, 70 bucks. Midnight Sunburn, $44.99. It is 12 shots. Distractions, 24 shots, $54.99. Mr. Reaper is 60 bucks, 12 shots. We got Chasing Booty, 24 shots, 50 bucks. Dr. Jekyll, 50 bucks. One Bad Mother-in-Law is 40 bucks. That's the tiny one. Here's a medium-sized one. Really One Bad Mother-in-Law. That is 50 bucks. How many shots is that one again? I can't find it. Magnum Tremors, 9 shots, 90 bucks. And you got Ghost Dragon, 100 bucks, 9 shots.
Tony, Lucky, the Predator.
Whole bunch. Whole bunch of stuff. Start down at the bottom over here and run it again. We'll see you in the next one.